Hey guys, good morning. How you guys doing? So I want to prepare lunch. Okay, so this is fresh plantain. Like, I don't even know when last I ate plantain, because I know before I normally eat it every time, but today we'll be cooking beans. So I've already put my hot water on the fire. For those of you that normally see that if I am cooking my beans, I don't normally wash it, because these beans, there is no stone. It's not like that one that is in Nigeria that you pick. No, so there is no need to pick it. They have already picked the beans. Okay, it's just for me to put it inside the pot. So after it's must have done, I will change the water like 2 times, because Obi like beans, but sometimes his tummy, because of his tummy, like, he's very very soft, so he always sometimes some people normally eat beans, they'll say, beans they purge me, beans, but even if beans purge, then they still eat beans, right? So I've been eating beans since I got married. Before, I don't eat beans. Even when my mother cook it, I don't eat this. Now strong head, I tell they eat them. So this is my childhood food. Like, even if there is no food for 1 month, but if there is beans, just rest. So guys, come along with me. So I'll be putting these beans inside this place now. So I'll not be cooking too much, I'll be cooking small, because if it's too much, you get tired of eating it. But some people, they cannot get tired of eating beans, so they cannot get tired of eating beans, eh? They can eat beans for 1 week. Me, I cannot, but I like beans. So that's why I'm cooking smaller beans, okay? I'm cooking small beans. You see the one that I make now. So later I'm going to fry, or should we use custard? I bought custard. Maybe I'll be using custard. No, I want to use this. I want to fry this one. Maybe tomorrow, if I want to eat beans again, I will use custard.